The iconic Volkswagen Beetle is back, and the 2026 version brings a stunning mix of nostalgia and modern engineering that's sure to captivate car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. This isn't just a remake, it's a complete reimagining of one of the most beloved vehicles in automotive history. Let's dive into everything that makes the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle such a head-turner. From its retro-inspired exterior to its surprisingly refined interior, dynamic performance, and competitive pricing. Right from the first glance, the 2026 Beetle stands out with its bold yet familiar silhouette. Volkswagen has managed to keep the unmistakable curves and charm that made the original Beetle an icon, while updating the body with sharper lines, sleeker LED lighting, and aerodynamic improvements. The front fascia features rounded LED headlights that pay homage to its past, but now with a modern LED daytime running light ring and integrated turn signals. The front bumper sports cleaner lines and a lower, more aggressive stance that gives the Beetle a sportier vibe than ever before. The side profile remains compact and smooth, enhanced by sculpted body panels and stylish 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels, depending on the trim. You'll also notice a slightly wider stance and lowered roofline compared to the previous generation, helping with both looks and handling. The rear is just as striking, with a retro-modern blend of LED taillights and a redesigned hatch. A subtle, ducktail spoiler adds to the performance-inspired appearance, while dual chrome exhaust tips hint at the power beneath the hood. Speaking of power, the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle delivers an impressive performance upgrade. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.0-litre turbocharged inline-4 engine producing around 241 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. This engine is mated to a smooth-shifting 7-speed DSG dual-clutch automatic transmission, offering both quick acceleration and efficient cruising. For those who crave a more connected drive, a 6-speed manual option is also available in certain trims, a rare but welcome treat in today's automatic heavy world. On the road, the new Beetle is agile and responsive. Volkswagen has enhanced the suspension setup, offering a balance of comfort and sportiness. Whether you're taking sharp turns in the city or enjoying a cruise on the highway, the Beetle remains planted and confident. Front-wheel drive is standard, but rumors of an upcoming all-wheel drive variant are already stirring excitement in the enthusiast community. The ride quality is smooth, cabin noise is minimal, and the steering feedback is precise, all adding up to a truly enjoyable drive. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that perfectly blends classic charm with high-tech luxury. The dashboard retains that iconic circular theme, but everything else has been elevated. High-quality soft-touch materials and brushed aluminum accents give the interior a premium feel, while customizable ambient lighting adds a touch of personality. The centerpiece is a 10.25-inch fully digital instrument cluster paired with a 12-inch infotainment touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, and Volkswagen's latest software interface. The front seats are sporty yet supportive, featuring available leather upholstery, contrast stitching, and heating and ventilation options. Volkswagen has also ensured that the 2026 Beetle is packed with modern safety and driver assist features. Standard on most trims are adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and autonomous emergency braking. Top-tier trims even include a head-up display and semi-autonomous driving features for highway cruising. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2026 Volkswagen Beetle is expected to start around $27,000 for the base model, which comes well equipped with LED lighting, digital gauges, a touchscreen infotainment system, and all key safety tech. Mid-level trims with sporty aesthetics, upgraded wheels, and premium interior features will land closer to $32,000, while the top trim, fully loaded with leather, navigation, premium audio, and performance tuning, could stretch up to $37,000. When compared to other retro-styled or performance-focused compact cars on the market, the Beetle strikes an excellent balance between value, style, and driving fun. In conclusion, the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle is more than just a return. it's a reinvention. It honors its past while embracing the future, offering a perfect combination of classic design cues, modern performance, upscale tech, and everyday usability. Whether you're a longtime fan of the Beetle or just looking for a stylish and fun car with real personality, this new generation Beetle checks all the right boxes. It's proof that icons never really go out of style. They just get better with time.